You're such an asshole.
AssholeConsulting.com have a military request. If you're in the military or you were in the military ever, you get a discount, pretty good discount. King writes, Dick's and Wal-Mart's announced that they will no longer sell firearms and ammo to people between the ages of 18 and 20 of state and federal laws which set the age at 18. Can they do this or is it age discrimination? Thanks, military discount. All right, they can do it. It's not an or. They can do it, and it is age discrimination. All right. Now, whether it's illegal age discrimination, that's up to a lawyer, and I personally can't answer that. But they can do it because they are. I'm sorry to be so literal. They're getting away with that. And is it discriminatory? Yes, it is. Because they're obviously saying, well, if you're this age, anytime you place an age, well, you can't do this. For example, you might as well ask, is it illegal for McDonald's to discriminate on age based on senior citizen discount? I think if you're senior 62 or 65, you get like a discount on coffee. And it's not only McDonald's, but places all over the place. Oh, you get a senior citizen discount. Well, that is age discrimination. But what it brings up, the question, is anyone going to sue them over it? For example, there was the guy who protested Ladies' Night. And, you know, the DA, no one's really going to go sue these bars for Ladies' Night because it's always been that way, and guys got more important shit to do than bitch and whine about stuff like that. But this one guy apparently didn't. He had a craw in his feather, a feather in his craw. And he said, I think he sued him or threatened to sue him, and then they switched, okay, you have to wear a skirt. Well, I think the guy showed up in a skirt so he could get free drinks. So this is where, you know, if a legal challenge is brought to Wal-Mart, Dick's, and anybody else that does age discrimination in this particular case, that I don't know how the judge would rule, set a precedent or something like that. Is it age discrimination? Yes, it is, by definition. Is it illegal? Not until somebody sues them or they start to pass a law. But here's the difference. Whereas, you know, Ladies' Night, okay, that's discriminatory, but no one's really going to give a crap about it because, again, guys have more important shit to do. If it was the other way around, women would have patriarchy, but we have more important shit to do. Where it comes from Dick's and Walmart, or anyone else that's selling guns and ammo to young adults, the counter legal risk is that they sell it to somebody who then goes and shoots up a school or, you know, Las Vegas or whatever, and then they might be responsible legally and prone to a lawsuit. So they're kind of between a rock and a hard place. It's like, okay, we can discriminate actively, consciously against young people, young adults, and potentially have a lawsuit there, of which most people aren't going to do anything because people are lazy, and again, most people have more important shit to do. Plus, you can always go find some other place and go. But again, you know, the gay couple that wanted to sue the cupcake place because they weren't going to make a dildo cake or whatever, right? They were going to present a legal threat. So I think what is more likely, what Dick's and Walmart are looking at, is it's a higher statistical chance we sell a gun to somebody, could even be legally, they could check the background check and everything. They go shoot up some people or a school or whatever, and now we are legally responsible. Not for a age discrimination claim, which is, okay, what, $10, $20, $100,000? You're talking millions of dollars in the case of a wrongful death suit. So that's what they're looking there. So I know I'd like to be a little bit more philosophical, but there's not a lot of philosophy in this particular decision by Dick's and Walmart to not sell firearms or ammo to younger adults. It's just utilitarian and Machiavellian and for their CYA is what it is. So I'm sure they'd love to have like 5 age discrimination suits because they wouldn't sell ammo to, you know, a 19-year-old kid versus 20 wrongful death suits if that 19-year-old kid got a gun and some judge decided that they hated guns and they hate people that have guns and they're going to go after Walmart and Dick's. So that's it. You guys got questions? Captain's got answers. AssholeConsulting.com. We'll see you guys later. Toodles.